Out on the open waves we glide, chasing dawns and sunsets white. Feel the breeze, it's cold and sweet. Memories of you complete. This journey where the heart aligns, where the dream meets the tide. In the gentle sway we find our place, with the stars above we embrace. Every wave that rolls brings us close. This quiet night love's what we chose. When the darkness falls we're still, the water whispers calm and still. Shadows dance across the bow, your laughter's an anchor now. With the moon as our guide above, we sail along wrapped in love. In the gentle sway we find our place, where the stars above we embrace. Every wave that rolls brings us close. In this quiet night love's what we chose. The sea's our song, where we belong. Gentle and strong, love carries on. In the gentle sway we find our place, with the stars above we embrace. Every wave that rolls brings us close. This quiet night